Hello my dear children, today we are going to study chapter 5, the noun. Look at the picture, Amit, these sentences. Amit is reading a book. The cat is a domestic animal. She lives in Agra. He cuts apple with a knife. Now children, in sentence 1, Amit is the name of a person. Cat is the name of an animal. Agra is the name of a place. And knife is the name of a thing. So a word which is used as a name of a person, animal, place or a thing is called a noun. So you all are familiar with this. Now what we will write, a word which is used as a name of a person, animal, place or a thing is called a noun. Now common noun. Now we will study about different types of nouns. First is common noun. Common nouns are the name of the people, animal, places or things of the same kind. For example, person, actor, carpenter, doctor, animal, ass, bull, cat, places, airport, bank, church, things, Elmira, book, computer. Some special words are often used for young ones of animals. For example, cat, kitten, cow, elephant, whale, calf, dog, puppy, bear, fox, lion, tiger, cub. Okay children. Names of trees, instruments, fruits and vegetable are also common nouns. Next is proper noun. Proper nouns are the special names given to certain common nouns. So what are proper nouns? They are the special names given to certain common nouns. They always begin with the capital letters. For example, Indira Gandhi, Raj Kapoor, Kapil Dev. Names of countries, India, Canada. Names of cities, Agra, Kolkata. Names of the days of the week. Names of the months of the year. Names of oceans and seas. Names of rivers. Names of historical monuments, for example, Taj Mahal, Red Fort. Names of special days and festival, Independence Day, Republic Day, etc. Next is collective nouns. Collective nouns are words for groups of people, animals or things. For example, a group of soldiers, army. A group of flowers, bouquet. A group of keys or grapes, bunch, and so on. Next is abstract noun. Abstract nouns are words for feelings that cannot be seen or touched. The following are regarded as abstract nouns. For example, quality we will take. Mercy, courage, action, cry, laugh, smile, state, adulthood, boyhood, freedom, health. So we can feel them but we cannot see or touch them. They are called the abstract nouns. The names of the arts and sciences are also abstract nouns. For example, physics, mathematics, literature, grammar. Abstract nouns are usually uncountable, but some are countable and have plural forms. Feeling, feelings. Idea, ideas. Lie, lies. Thought, thoughts. Truth, truths. Abstract nouns are formed from adjectives, verbs, and common nouns. For example, soft is adjective, softness. Arrive is verb, arrival. Man is common noun, manhood. Material nouns. Read the following sentences. Diamond is the hardest substance. Gold is a precious yellow metal. Silver is a precious shiny grayish white metal. Plastic is synthetic material. Brass is a yellow alloy of copper and zinc. In these sentences, words given in color are the names of the materials from which different objects are prepared. They are called material nouns. So a material noun is the name of the substance from which objects are prepared. Recognize the nouns given in color in the following sentences and write whether they are common, proper, collective, abstract or material. Their team is better than us. Team is collective. Magician, common. Courage, abstract. Coal, material. Committee, collective. Ambition, abstract. Physics, abstract. Cinderella, proper. Dog, common. Book, common. Complete the following crosswords for finding out the hidden word in the blue block. Can you tell the name of the profession which is associated with it? A person who makes wooden objects, carpenter. A person who reports news for a newspaper, reporter. A person who sells food and small household goods, grocer. A person who teaches in a school, teacher. A person who owns or manages a hotel, hotelier. A person who treats patients, doctor. A manager or owner of a plantation, planter. A person qualified to prescribe glasses and contact lenses, optician. A person who interprets foreign speech, orally, interpreter. A person who builds houses and other buildings, builder. A person who watches a match closely to enforce the rules, umpire. A person who practices law, lawyer. Now in this blue blob, architecture. Fill in the right collective nouns from the list. A flock of sheep, a pride of lions, a herd of elephants, a shoal of fish, a swarm of bees, a troop of horses, a fleet of ships, an army of soldiers, a bouquet of flowers, a bunch of bananas, a range of mountains, a team of players. Circle the abstract nouns below. Friendship, mercy, grief, happiness, rules, thought, anger. Use these abstract nouns in a sentence. Bravery. The soldiers fought with bravery. Laughter. Laughter is the best medicine. Write 4 of your own abstract nouns here. Smile, cry, idea, truth. Children, these definitions you will write down in your notebook. Define noun, give example. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal or a thing. For example, Amit Pathankot, cat, table. Kinds of noun, common noun are the names of the people, animal, places or things of the same kind. For example, actor, bull, bank, book. Proper noun are the special names given to the certain common nouns. For example, Kapil Dev, India, Agra, Ganga. Collective nouns are words for groups of people, animals or things. For example, army, herd, bunch, team. Abstract nouns are words for feelings that cannot be seen or touched. For example, mercy, smile, health, truth. Material noun are the names of the substances from which objects are prepared. For example, diamond, gold, silver, plastic. So my dear children, with this we have completed the chapter. You please revise the chapter, note down each and everything in your book as well as notebook. May God bless you all. Thank you.